Hey guys, it's Maureen. Welcome back to the channel. So I just want to make this outro and intro, or intro and outro for this video. So I'm actually filming right now for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I am so excited because I just got it 30 minutes ago. I have forgotten to make an outro and intro for this video, so that's why I'm making it right now. So this video is going to be just an unboxing, and I will give you my pros and cons about this product. So if you are interested about this product, just keep on watching. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this earbud. It is very affordable compared to other wireless earbud out there. It has very decent sound, high quality sound, and I like it. And plus, while I was using it with the AirPods, I always get so annoyed whenever you take off the AirPods and the music stops. I hate that. So with this earbuds, why do I pronounce it like that? I love it with this earbud because it doesn't stop whenever I'm listening to music. And also, first con is going to be whenever I'm tapping. I don't used to tap my earpods every time I want to use it. I just use my phone to stop the music or move it to the next song. This thing right here is really sensitive, very sensitive whenever you're touching it. So I don't like it because it's too sensitive. So I wish we could adjust the sensitivity of this earbuds. I don't know if that's possible. And I don't even know too if they have an app for this, but that would be awesome if you can adjust the sensitivity. But I guess I'm just maybe used to using my phone whenever I'm wanting to go to the next music, or going back to that music and maybe answering some call. That was the first time that I did use the tapping thingy or tapping ability of an earbud. So maybe that's why I'm kind of annoyed by it, because I don't know how to yet. And the second con is it is not a wireless charging, but I don't mind at all because I have wire stuff here anyways. That the USB-C I have that for my iPad Pro and some others for my GoPro. Includes a wire anyways, but it's too short, so I guess that's a con too. So overall, first impression on this product, it is very good quality, but unfortunately earbud doesn't work for me at all. I don't like it when I put it too much in my eardrums and I feel like my eardrum is drumming. I feel like my eardrums is drumming whenever I'm listening to music, so I don't really like that because it gets into your like super inside of your ear. Zeera Wireless is very nice enough to give us a discount code for this product. So if you are interested in getting this product, I'm going to put the discount code in here, or I can also put it in the description box. If you guys are interested, just simply type Maureen 15 at checkout, and you will get the discount. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one.